There it is. We're going to have a bit of prawns. Just half of them. Work them in the middle as well. Good enough time to add some tomatoes. A little bit of puree. Shake the rice out. That should be looking pretty good now. Yeah. Cook them right in with the garlic and the ginger. Turmeric. Tiny bit of turmeric. Coriander. About the same coriander. A little bit more. Cumin. Get it in there. Some black pepper and some chilli. Just work that in a little bit like that. That's all you need to do. About this time you want to be keeping that moisture in with the old lid. Let's have a little look at the rice. Ah yes. Just heat your pan with some butter, put the dry rice in, warm it through, don't burn it unless you like the nutty flavour, and then add just the right amount of water, but you can shake off excess water from the lid as you go. Add a bit at the end if you need a bit more. Perfect rice. And that is about done. Turn the heat off now.